Hello guys, so welcome again. In this video we will learn float progress. Actually it is so similar with int progress, and we will use sleep function here. For example, we have a data, it's a list here, and we don't know how many items in the list. Here we define a progress, and we are using float progress function here. Minimum number is 0, maximum number we don't know, it can be changed. So we will define len data. For example, if there are 10 different items here, maximum number will be 10. And progress value 0. We define the value 0 and display progress. After that we have a process data. In this loop we will process this data. Later you can do a more complex process here, but we will do just multiply with 2 these numbers, and then append that value into a new list, process data. After that, in each loop we will add 1 to value, and we will sleep 0.5 seconds. After that, the loop will continue until finish all the numbers here, and then we will print process data, this list. Let me run. Here, as you can see, filling slowly, and then it's printing the new list here, process data, and multiply all the numbers here with 2, and this is the result. Okay guys, I hope you like it. If you have any more questions, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.